Today's my last day here at AKA, and I've never been so ready to come home in my life. I don't know, I think it's hasn't all been bad, but I think that when you carry an injury and you can't do what you know you're capable of, it's actually really deflating. So I actually think I might try and continue with the boxing back in Canberra. So I'll be looking for a gym to join, and that should be fun. So waiting for my coffee. Once I have my coffee, I'll get padded up and get ready to go. So stay tuned. Last session finished, and pretty good. It's tough, really tough.
Ik heb zo heel dag met die oude tip, maar ik voel wat dit different, hè? En ook al een paar keer dat je denkt, kut, dit laatste maar. Veel slapen.
But that's why I did it right. I am going all the way up there to see the big Buddha. Should be fun. Well, I've arrived at the big Buddha. I knew it was closed. I think they've got it closed for renovations. But I'm going to see if I can just get a little bit of video footage anyway, because I just think it looks really special. I love their whistles in Thailand, man. I love them. my time here at AKA has come to an end, and just walking back to the hotel on my way to the airport, and I think it's now time to, should I do it in this video or a separate video? I'm going to do a full review of AKA. I'm not going to be biased, I'm not going to be prick, I'm just going to be honest. And yeah, so thanks everyone for coming along with my vlog, and full AKA review to follow soon. Peace. See you back again when I'm doing some hair. Love yous. Bye.